Hey, what's up fellas, it's Mo here, and another video about interior removal. And this interior is from a 2020 BMW X7. The problem of this car is flood damage. Yep, the interior is full of water. Let me guys show you what's the water level on this car. So it's right here. That was the insurance inspector, which marked the water level in this car. As you see, we got a lot of mud here, like in previous videos about RAV4 and Dodge Charger. We got water inside. Basically, who watched my videos before this, you guys are gonna understand how to fix this car. You can fix your flood car at your home. BMW X7, kind of a lot of wires and modules. I think so too. That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be a challenge for me. I never did take apart kind of big interiors like this one from X7, but nothing is impossible. So let's get start to work. You guys get the popcorn and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start to take everything apart, and the first thing that I'm gonna take out is the trim panels, lower plastic things, the covers right there. So they are here. I'm gonna take everything apart, which is here, all four sides, and then I will try to get the seats out. And then I'm gonna take these seats out. So as you see guys, nothing is moving, it's completely dead. Alright, and also we have the third side of seats right here. I tried to lift them up and it's kind of crap. That's gonna be a pain, a real pain to take them out, but still we have to fix everything. So oh my god, it's a huge door. Oh wow, brand new car almost. This thing is coming out. Whatever. Alright guys, so I took the driver's side seat out, and now I'm gonna take this one right here, and I'll show you more details how I'm taking it out. The problem is this seat is completely dead. It's not moving forward or in the back because the seat module got rusty and is not working. So I have to take everything apart and use my wires to push directly from the wires, give power, and move the seat forward in the back to remove the bolts from the car body. Alright guys, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna remove this cover first. So this cover, it comes very easily out. You're just taking and pulling it out. Here we go, and you just push it in the back. That's it. So now you have access to remove this cover, and even the switch. So let's start with this one, and then we can, after that, we can remove the switch out. Here we go. Another cover comes out. So you have here a clips, a tooth. And then we have this one here, which comes here. Same thing we have on the left side. Same clips, and just push inside. Just inside, and that's it. Alright guys, so I took the connector out. I'm gonna put the negative lower inside, right there. All right, and then I have to make sure negative touches the lower pin right here, and then here we go. Here we go. Yeah, boy. That's it. Now we have space to take the bolts out. Alright guys, we got the seat out. I have to remove the disconnector. Boom. You see? Rust, corrosion. That's it. It's completely dead. Let's remove it. We're gonna push it out a little bit, remove the belt like we did on that side. Next thing what I'm gonna take is the console and then the rear seats. We have 2 screws inside right here. Also I took these covers out. It's right there, the black one. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So that's 2 bolts and 1 nut here, and same as well 2 bolts here and one nut there. These are not coming out. I think this is a part of this cover, so this is a part of a console. So let's take these ones, and also let's take this out and see what happens. Okay. Alright guys, so after taking these screws out, we have the same 2 screws here and on the other side. You're just pulling this out, this, and that's it. Figure out, after you remove these screws, we have left over here inside, I think somewhere. Let's remove this one. Yeah, here we go. We have here inside another 2 screws. Check this one. No, no more screws. All right, let's close this one here, and let's pull this out. Here we go. Out huge here in the back, right here. All right guys, so this is we got the console out. As you see here, that's the connector which has to be here left over, and same we have in the front here. This is the airbag module, and this is probably the Bluetooth receiver and radio, blah 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 blah. That's it. We got a console out, and it's done with the console. So far so good. We got a lot of things out of here. Now I'm gonna move back, and I'm gonna start taking the seats out, and then we have the third line of seats, and those are coming right after I'm gonna take this one out. Alright guys, so here we have the empty space after I removed the mid-size of seats. So basically we can take out now the carpet from the middle. It's right here, from here to right here. I did the same. I removed the wires and the module, the seat module, and then I put the jump box connected straight and give power to the seats, and I removed it. And now in the back we have another connector here, which you can give power to lift up the seats. Alright guys, so that's it. I took everything apart that I need. Probably the water was somewhere here, so all these things didn't get damaged. The fuse box, the computer. So here we go, all the way back there. Everything's empty. There's no carpets. I took them apart. There are 3 parts, actually four, excuse me. The last one, mid side, right side right here, and the left side, the driver's side. So I have total 4 carpets. As you see, it's everything apart. My video about taking apart the interior from 2020 X7, it comes to the end. So yeah, here is the right side carpet, and the air tunnels. We have some plastic under the carpet. Here is the interior. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and that was the X7 2020 BMW X7. I'm gonna end up here. So if this video helped you, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're first time on my channel, then give my channel subscribe. Why not? Because you know, I'm always posting new and cool videos about fixing cars. So everyone, goodbye. See you next time.